In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Google Drive unlimited storage. Now, while true unlimited storage isn't offered for most personal accounts, I am going to show you how to get as close as possible by clearing out the biggest space hogs and then expanding your capacity with Google One so it feels virtually unlimited for your needs. First, let's clean up what you already have. Open Google Drive in your browser and look at the left sidebar. Click on Storage. This view organizes everything that counts toward your quota across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Starting with the largest files, sorting by file size makes it easy to spot old videos, massive archives, or forgotten backups that quietly eat space. Click a large file to preview it, and confirm what it is. If you no longer need it, move it to the trash. Remember, items in trash still take up space until you empty it. So when you are done reviewing, open the trash and choose Empty Trash to free the space immediately. If a file is shared and you are the owner, deleting it removes access for others. So double-check before you purge. If you don't own the file, it typically doesn't count against your storage, so removing it from your Drive view won't change your quota. A helpful tip: focus on a few of the largest files first. You'll reclaim more space faster than by deleting lots of tiny documents. After a quick pass, refresh the storage page to see your updated total. Next, let's expand your storage with Google One. This is Google's official subscription for extra space that applies to Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Choose a plan size that matches your usage today with some headroom for growth. Plans are available monthly or annually, and you can change or cancel later if your needs shift. A major benefit is family sharing. You can share your storage with up to 5 additional family members, each with their own private space, while all drawing from the same pool. This is a simple, cost-effective way to cover multiple people without juggling separate subscriptions. As a bonus, Google One often includes helpful extras, like access to support and occasional member benefits, which vary by region and plan. Put these two moves together: regularly clearing large files from the storage view and backing that up with a Google One plan, and you'll create a setup that feels limitless for everyday use. Keep an eye on your storage page every so often. Repeat the quick cleanup when needed, and adjust your plan only when your usage truly grows. Thanks for watching.